Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 16th of October 2024. A bit earlier than usual, just after midnight. Just got in. So while I'm still awake, I thought I would get the Market Alert recorded and out to you. Crude crashes today, tech tumbles, but bonds, bullion and Bitcoin bid. Different story than yesterday, that's for sure. Stocks fall as dire ASML and LVMH earnings its sentiment. So again, a bit different than yesterday's news that was being reported. And today we've got CPI out for the UK at 7 a.m. That's forecast to come in at 1.9, previous 2.2. Let's see if that does. And then we've got ECB Lagarde speaking at 7:40, so that will affect the German DAX. Right, let's have a look at the markets, see where they finish today, and kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, straight reversal off yesterday. You can see we had an all-time high. I think we've got a new one overnight as well. So let me just check this. Well, say overnight, I mean yesterday. We've got 43,191. That's the high that was made during Tuesday's trading session. Market all the way down with some selling. And you can see prices there. Sideways already on the overnight. We're just, like I say, just after midnight. Prices are sitting at the close and at the low of yesterday as well. The market needs to stay above this. But yesterday, markets sideways, then dropped down mid-morning, and then as soon as we got into the main cash opening session, you see the market falling and then rallying back to the DP before prices then further move lower, stopping at the 200 MA. So the 200 MA and yesterday's low is a very important area for the market to hold there. In the German DAX, we put in a new all-time high for yesterday. You can see that there. We've got 19,636. The 20,000 obviously is still a target for this market. The previous one that was resistance to the left there was at 19,493. A bit of a closer look at the activity for yesterday. The market managed to move higher, creating that new all-time high, which you can see there is now today's all-time high. Prices sideways, then sell off, follow the Dow, and then trade down to the close and the low there. So the prices certainly need to hold at this level. Let's just have a look, see where the 200 MA is. That's a bit further down, sitting at the S2 level there for the 200 MA there. In the S&P 500, the market didn't make a new all-time high, but it certainly saw some selling coming into the market yesterday with selling pressure, and the market sideways as it's rolled over to the overnight market there. 30-minute chart, you can see we were quite stable until the cash market opened, and then prices sold off. Certainly makes you wonder that yesterday's move to the upside that we saw is certainly say yesterday's, Monday's move when we saw prices moving sharply higher. Whether these moves are just being engineered so that those who wish to get out of the markets can get out at a decent price, because that's a fair old sell-off there for the S&P. Prices trading down to create the low of today and also the low of Monday there as well. Back above the close there at the moment, and also getting some support from the 200 MA there. Meanwhile, in the UK, which is waiting for the CPI numbers to be released at 7 a.m, market is sideways, still stuck in that sideways range. And in the 30-minute chart, you can see the sell-off, the market batting with and fighting the 200 MA. 1 minute we're through it on the downside, then back on the upside, and then eventually break to the downside, where you've got the close and the low there. In the US dollar, during Tuesday's session, the market managing to move higher, which is quite strange given that the bullion markets were allowed to move higher as well. So again, that's out of sync, but I don't mind if they want to move the price of the metals higher. That's fine by me. So let's have a look, see how they fared during yesterday's session. So silver managing to put in a reversal. This is a big surprise. I expected this market to go down, as I said in yesterday's alert, down to $30.27, but the market proving me completely wrong there and being able to move to the upside. We did start to move lower just after recording the alert yesterday, but prices got back above the 200 MA. They also tested them at the London fix as well, with prices then moving higher and now trading sideways. Same picture for gold there as well, also moving higher during yesterday, which you can see. And in the 30-minute chart, higher to begin with, market was sideways, and then we had another spurt to the upside into the evening before prices then started to trade sideways, sitting at Tuesday's close. In the gold-silver ratio, this was down, which means silver moved better than gold during yesterday's trading session, and currently overnight also showing a bit of red there as well. Right, let's have a quick look at yesterday's trades in the German DAX 2-minute chart. So in the futures market, prices were sideways to lower, they're reacting to the unemployment numbers, which came out higher than forecast, which is the red line there. Market thought this was a good thing and moved up. A good thing based on, I suppose, being able to cut rates once more. Market was up, traded sideways, as you can see there, and then put in a sell signal, which I got out far too early. Saw the green buying coming in, the market closing back above the BRN, and then the market reversed and down we went to the high. We then eventually broke the 200 MA and the high and the close, with prices following, moving lower there. So a bit too soon, a bit too keen to take the profits off that one. We then through the morning session, the market not doing a whole lot, so let's move over to the US opening, and then we'll see prices move to the downside there. But we had some buying come in here just after we entered the market. We got support there, and this support will hold again, as you'll see in just a moment. We have a second sell signal, but this time the market hits the scalp. But you can see we've got the support there, and then the same there where we've got that support too. So prices then getting into a sideways move as the Dow sells off, the DAX follows, and then we get a bit of a dead cat bounce with prices moving higher and then trading eventually up to the scalp in the after 4:30 trading session there. Well, after 4 o'clock, between 4 and 4:30, and then prices just sideways there. Quick look overnight, not that there's a lot to see because it's currently midnight. So overnight prices are sideways, struggling with the 200 MA on the upside there, below the DP as well, which you can see is just up here. We're above the close though at the moment. The low is very close, of course, because of the selling that took place today, or during Tuesday's session I should say. I'm getting a bit confused and tired between what I'm looking at here is obviously the start of Wednesday's trading session. So with that, I'm going to draw this to a close and get off to bed and wait and see what those CPI numbers are at 7 AM. So with that, as ever, thanks for watching and have a great day.